Hey campers, I hope you're having a great time outdoors and learning a lot. Today we're going to explore something that's really small in the environment but plays a major role, and that is ants. I know everyone has seen them before, but we're going to be talking about two specific kinds of forms of ants today. One is a monogyne fire ant, and the other one is a polygyne fire ant. Yeah, I know, they look pretty much the same, but if you break it down, you can tell them apart. So mono means one, and that means the monogyne fire ant colony only has one queen. And then poly means many. So the polygyne fire ant colony has multiple queens. And you can't tell just by looking at them what that is, but the number of queens per colony plays a major role in their behavior. So a polygyne colony can reproduce very, very quickly and have a very dense population. And the monogyne colony, not so much. However, the monogyne queen makes up for that by being able to have mating flights and go over 100 meters in the air, so she can go the distance and colonize a new area that is kilometers away. The polygyne queens can't do that, unfortunately, so they disperse through budding, which is only a few meters away from their original colony. So that's how you can tell in nature which one is which. If you see a bunch of different ant hills that are really close together, then it's probably going to be a polygyne fire ant colony. And then if you don't see as many, maybe that one's going to be a monogyne colony. And now it's important to remember that fire ants are considered an invasive species. And an invasive species is a non-native species that's introduced to an area that has grown to such a successful population that it is causing severe harm to the environment around it. So, especially with polygyne fire ants who reproduce so rapidly, they can cause detriment to the native ant species. And one way that the humans are facilitating the growth of polygyne fire ant colonies is through something called corridors, which is a narrow strip of land that connects different patches of a fragmented habitat. And so it's usually positive for promoting biodiversity, but invasive species also utilize those things and are able to spread more quickly. So fire ants, the polygynes, can move really quickly and reproduce rapidly. And so, until next time, go check out the fire ant hills. They're really, really awesome.